Well, we're not usually talking about lightning storms this time of year, but a new study shows the amount of lightning we see could be on the rise. News 4 meteorologist Mike Syka can tell us more about this. Mike?
Yeah, you're right about that, Jackie. You might find it unusual that we are talking about lightning on a day when lake-effect snow showers are found across the region. However, a new study in the journal Science points to an increase in lightning, and we may even see some of that during the winter. Being struck by lightning seems like a rather remote possibility. That may be about to change. The current chance of being hit is about 1 in 12,000 during a lifetime. However, a team of climate scientists at University of California, Berkeley have determined that we may be ducking for cover more often. The culprit, climate change.
They kind of looked at lightning strikes and looked at water vapor and looked at convection, and they developed a model that can explain about 77% of that variability, so they projected that into the future with climate change.
Convection means that air is rising. Rising air during the winter not only produces lake-effect snow, but on occasion lightning. Lightning generated within a snow squall even hit a Continental Express jet, forcing it to return to Hopkins Field at Cleveland Thursday. According to the study, for every degree of warming, your chance of being struck increases by 7%, maybe as much as 50% by the end of the century. Homes, businesses, even tinderbox dry fields could be a target.
Those would be the main areas: lightning strikes, people, fires. Probably the areas that are heavy lightning strikes today, like in Florida, for example, the Midwest will probably be a little more.
And those wildfires are even tougher to put out.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're going to expect more of that going on, it could be very problematic.
Dr. Vermette thinks that we really need to look at the big picture when it comes to climate change, since the impact goes far beyond warming.
We don't realize that it affects all aspects of weather. So lightning is an example of something that might be impacted by a warming. It affects the whole system. And you got to think of the atmosphere as a system. You change one variable, all the other variables are going to be impacted as well.
And this is even more reason why we should take climate change seriously and do everything we can to reduce it. Mike Syka, News 4.